Which act empowers banks to seize assets of willful defaulters? SARFAESI Act, RBI Act, 1934, Banking Regulation Act, IBC, 2016. SARFAESI Act. Explanation: the securitization and reconstruction of financial assets and enforcement of security interest, SARFAESI Act, 2002, specifically empowers banks and financial institutions to recover their dues by seizing and selling the assets of borrowers who have defaulted on their loans. This is a key feature of the Act, allowing for quicker recovery processes compared to lengthy court procedures. Why the other options are less suitable? RBI Act, 1934. While the Reserve Bank of India Act establishes the central bank and provides regulatory powers, it doesn't directly deal with the seizure of assets from individual defaulters. Its focus is on monetary policy and the overall banking system. Banking Regulation Act. This act governs the operations and regulation of banks, setting out guidelines for various banking activities. However, it does not explicitly empower banks to seize assets in the same way as SARFAESI. IBC, 2016, the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code, IBC, provides a comprehensive framework for resolving insolvency and bankruptcy, including processes for recovering assets. However, the IBC is a wider law which deals with a company going bankrupt rather than just an individual willfully defaulting on loans.